Hi everybody. I'm writing this little video to show you how to log into and then set up your house panel. So I'm logged into my Raspberry Pi here. This could also be your policy device, but I'm doing Raspberry Pi because I think most people will use that. Either one will work fine. So I'm in my base directory. As you can see here, there's nothing special. So the first thing you want to do is clone the GitHub library. So just do git clone and then this is the address of the repository for HousePanel. So it will clone this into a folder called HP Server. So after it does its thing, we will log into HP Server. So do cd HP Server. And if you just do a listing, you'll see that all the files are there. Next, what you'll want to do is do a sudo npm install. That will install everything that's defined in the config.json file. You'll need sudo because some of the libraries require admin access. So this will take a few seconds, and when it's done, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, you can ignore all of these advertisements for some of the libraries that I use. It's normal. There's nothing to be alarmed about. You don't need to take any action. The only time you'll need to take action is if it gives you an error message, but that should not hopefully happen. It's just going to do some compiling here and give you a little advertisement for one of the things. Okay, so it's added multiple packages, it's done an audit, and you should be good to go. So now what you need to do is I just did a directory listing, and now you just launch the server. And you'll need to have a current version of Node, and I'm going to do a Node-version, -version. Okay, so I'm using Node version 10.18.1, and let's see what NPM version I'm using. I'm using NPM version 6.13.6. I would recommend using versions close to this. Okay, so now you're ready to launch. So just say node hp server.js, and then I typically pipe my output to hp server.log, and then put ampersand to run it in the background. And that's it. Just do a PS to make sure it's running, and you can see that it is. And now we're ready to go to our browser. So I'll do that in the next video. Thanks, guys.